Hey, scholars. I'm Ms. B, and you'll be learning with me. Welcome to Mathora. Today, we're jumping into adding and subtracting decimals. Our goals today are simple. Read and write decimals, and add or subtract them to the thousands place. Don't worry, we'll take it step by step. Before we start the steps, let's warm up with a quick problem. When you see the pencil icon, that means you should write it down. Here's the opener problem. Let's read it together. Des went on a field trip. He walked 2.6 miles before lunch and 1.9 miles after lunch. How many miles did Des walk in total? Pause the video and give it a try. Here's a vocabulary clue. When you see words like total, that's our signal to add. Vocabulary is our math superpower. Let's go into self-reflection. How did you know you needed to add? Try saying your answer in a full sentence. I knew I needed to add because... Go ahead and finish your sentence and pause if you need more time. As mentioned before, vocabulary is our math superpower, so let's get into the 3 vocabulary words of the day. The first word is decimal point. The decimal point is that small dot. It separates whole numbers on the left from the smaller parts on the right. Our next vocabulary word is place value. Place value means each digit has a job. Where the digit sits tells us how much it's worth. And our last vocabulary word of this lesson is align decimals. Align decimals means stack the decimal numbers so the dots match. When the decimals line up, your math lines up too. Example 1. Let's start small. 0.2 plus 0.2. First, line up your decimals. Then, make sure both numbers have the same amount of digits. Once that's done, you can add like normal. Bring the decimal straight down. 0.2 plus 0.2 equals 0.4. Boom. Easy win. Example 2. Now, let's subtract. 0.87 minus 0.2. Notice, one number has more digits. No problem. Just add a 0 so they match. Like this. Now they both have 3 digits. Perfect. Let's subtract like normal. Step 1, align decimals. Step 2, add zeros if needed. Step 3, subtract like whole numbers. And step 4, drop that decimal point into your answer. 0.87 minus 0.20 equals 0.67. Line them up and you can't go wrong. Woo! We're almost there. Example 3. All right, ready for some big numbers now? 240.77 plus 0.623. Looks tricky, but same rules. Line up the decimals, add zeros if needed, add like normal, bring the decimal straight down, and your answer is going to be 241.393. It's check for understanding time, which means it's your turn. Try these 2 problems. Problem 1, you're going to add 13.83 plus 15.6, and you're going to pause and solve. And then you also have problem 2. You're going to subtract 34.4 minus 14.17, and feel free to pause and solve. Ready for the answers? The addition problem, the answer is 29.43, and here's how I did it. The subtraction answer is 20.23, and I've showed you my work. If you got it, nice work. If not, don't worry. Keep practicing. Want more practice? Check the links below. I have extra worksheets, a brain boost video, word problems, and even a project idea. And that's it. You've learned how to add and subtract decimals. Remember, decimals are everywhere in money, measurements, and real life. Keep practicing and you'll get faster and stronger. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for the next math boost. Bye, scholars.